Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to repair a faulty headphone. You can repair this in home. Look, I have this headphone. Its sound has become hazy, due to some problem in the control button. So I am going to remove this control button. This is very easy. I am showing you how to do this. Remove this cap first. Now disconnect all the wires. Then clear this end, removing the rubber cap. Now you can see there are two distinct wires of different colors. Similarly, remove the rubber cap from the other wire. Now remove the rubber cap from the other part of wire. See. Inside this there are 4 separate wires of different colors. These colors will match the color of the other 2 cables. What you have to do now is simply match the colors and join the wires. Now you can put this back in the box. After joining these wires, make sure that the wires do not touch each other when you keep this back in the box. Now you can have perfect noiseless sound from this headphone. We have removed the faulty controller from this headphone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and comment on this video if you liked it. And please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.